Who wants some? It's a beautiful warm day today with gorgeous clouds. So we decided to make it into a picnic day. And so we're out here by the creek and my sister made homemade bread. It looks beautiful and I already had a taste of it. It's simply delicious. It's a huge contrast coming from downtown New York, Manhattan, but it feels more just right here because in the city being so close to Wall Street, the place is normally so busy and then suddenly, you know, no people. It did feel eerie and it felt apocalyptic basically. And here in rural Ohio on a farm, being surrounded by cornfields and some woods, it's just more natural, this way of life of social distancing. I mean, people naturally here live on a lot of land. There's a lady that came over to fetch her dog who just ran our way. We had fresh home-baked bread on the blankets, so wouldn't be surprised if the dog smelled the bread and our corgi. Normally I would of course probably engage in the conversation, just will ask a little bit about what life is like here, what they do, how long they've been here, but again, just kind of to respect and practice social distancing. I didn't start a conversation. We just said hi, and that's it. It's cold, but it's nice. I like it. After the first time, second, third, it's just easier. That's just promoting Ohio lakes for swimming. I'm promoting ice swimming. It's supposed to be good for you.
Maybe.
Yeah, it's like they got cloned. Okay, I don't have good grip. I have my hiking boots, but I didn't put them on. Oh my goodness gracious. Whew. How did you get up here? Oh wow. That's it, Losha. I'm at a higher peak than you. I won. Recording the descent without, I don't have grip in my shoes at all.
Hope for the best.